What is up YouTube? I'm back once again with another DIY Tesla power update video. Now you guys may know it's been probably 3 to 4, even 5 months since I've done a proper update video. So pretty much during that time I've been slowly getting more cells, and as you guys can see I have enough cells, all tested, all voltage tested and all that kind of stuff, capacity tested and all that. They've all been equally divided among the 14 packs. And they're pretty much ready to put the cell holders onto the top, and then the long tedious process of soldering fuses on and bus bars begins. So sorry that I haven't been uploading too much. I mean, there hasn't been too much change. It's mainly just cell processing right now, and there's nothing too interesting about that, so I never really thought of showing you guys that. But pretty much we've got my 3 amp hour cells here, the pink and the LG brown ones. And then, you know, the normal red and green ones. So it's pretty much a total pack completely built of Samsung and LG cells. So these are all high quality cells. My other packs had a few low quality ones. These are all tested to at least be 2000 milliamp hours. These ones here test at usually 24. These ones here are about 2.8 for both. But yeah, so pretty much now I'm going to install the cell holders on, and then I'll be back showing you guys what it all looks like. We'll number up all the packs. So I have just finished installing some of the cell holders. Now basically the problem I'm having now is these cell holders they don't hold the cells in as tight as these ones do. So pretty much what I've done is I've gone through all of these cells, ensuring that none of them are the rigid ones. So pretty much I'm going to have to order some more cell holders in that are a bit tighter with quality control. I think the ones I got were really cheap, and that's probably why. It's kind of annoying. I've had them for a while and I never noticed until now that they are kind of faulty. So pretty much these ones here, they're all solid. They're on a bit of an angle because you have to do the slits alternating, so I will work out how I'm going to be putting these on the table. I don't know if I'm going to be mounting them because last time I had a bit of a scare with them falling down. I'll put a picture on the screen, and as you can see going through all the pictures, it was a bit of a mess. But yeah, so these ones here, they're all loose. I need to get some more cell holders. Here's a pile of cell holders that they just aren't tight with the quality control or whatever. So if I put in a standard red cell, and you literally just drop it in, and if it bounces, that's how you know it's not at level. If you try one of these ones, you put it in and it, like, there's nothing, no movement or anything. The only movement it was when these are wobbling on that. So this one here has got a corner cut out, so I can't really use that one. But as an example, there it is. So this is, I guess, a bit of a warning to you guys. If you are building a Powerwall, just make sure you don't cheap out and get the 100 in like one set. Maybe try from a couple of sellers, because it's a bit risky when you buy a lot and they're all like messed up and all not to quality. So pretty much all of these will just be demo pack things. So when I set these out, like I've had them for like the past couple of weeks. And then like when you get the proper ones, you can flip them over. And then these ones here as well, I use these to hold these cells up. I'm going to be switching those out because those are actually the good cell holders. So I'm going to use those. So I'll be able to make one more pack because I've got to change the bottom ones as well, which would be nice. So I'll have 9. Obviously it's not 14, but this is a 24 volt inverter anyway, so I can only use 7 of them. So I'm going to start doing this anyway. I might do a recording, but this is pretty much it for this episode. Just a bit of an update on how it's going, what's been going on, and the plans for the future of the Powerwall. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Please give it a like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.